Hi, this is the Outdoor Great Room Cove 30. The burner is 30 inches in diameter. The unit itself is 42 inches in diameter. It's 265 pounds of glass reinforced concrete. Very heavy. Will develop a natural patina as it ages and weathers, just like any concrete. It's 100,000 BTUs, so there's a lot of heat, a lot of flame, a lot of drama out of this unit. Looks great in your backyard. It comes with a glass guard that covers the burner when not in use. The wind guard that you see here is an optional accessory if you want to minimize leaning from the wind. This is the black color of the Cove 30. It also comes in a natural concrete finish.